Bitcoin has taken the world by storm, and whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to take your crypto game to the next level, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with Bitcoin in 2025. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest Bitcoin strategies. Let's get started. First things first, Bitcoin is more than just digital money. It's a decentralized cryptocurrency that has been around for over a decade, and its value has skyrocketed in recent years. But how can actually make money with it? Before we get into that, it's super important to understand what we're actually dealing with here. Think of it like this: you wouldn't jump into a car and start driving without first figuring out how to steer and use the gas pedal, right? Same principle applies here. So, before we get into the specific methods for making money with Bitcoin, let's take a quick deep dive into what Bitcoin actually is, how it works, and why it even has value in the first place. This will give you a solid foundation for making informed decisions and maximizing your potential profits. The first method is what many call hodling, holding on to your Bitcoin long-term. Now, if you bought Bitcoin back in 2010, you'd have seen returns of over 100,000%. Of course, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but Bitcoin's long-term growth trend is undeniable. Now you might be thinking, Graham, isn't it too late to buy Bitcoin? And my answer to that is a resounding no. Listen, while it's true that Bitcoin's price has gone up significantly over the years, it's still early in the game. We're talking about a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the entire financial system. By buying and holding, or hodling, you're essentially betting on the long-term success of Bitcoin. It's like investing in digital gold, and the best part? It's incredibly easy to get started. All you need is a secure wallet, buy some Bitcoin from a reputable exchange like Coinbase or Binance. I'll leave links to those in the description below, and hold it. When the price goes up, you make a profit. Simple, right? But remember, this is a long-term strategy. Chapter 3. Method 2. Trading Bitcoin. High risk, high reward. If you're a bit more adventurous, trading Bitcoin might be for you. Bitcoin's price is volatile, and this creates opportunities for traders. Let me tell you, trading Bitcoin is not for the faint of heart. It's a fast-paced, high-risk, high-reward game. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort to learn the ropes, it can be incredibly lucrative. Now, there are tons of different trading strategies out there, but the basic principle is simple: buy low and sell high. Or, if you're feeling really risky, you can short Bitcoin when it's expected to fall. This means you're essentially borrowing Bitcoin and selling it, hoping to buy it back at a lower price later on. But here's the thing: timing is everything in trading. You need to be able to read the charts, understand technical analysis, and identify trends. And even then, there's always an element of luck involved. That's why it's crucial to start small, only trade with money you can afford to lose, and never invest more than you're comfortable losing. Chapter 4. Method 3. Mining Bitcoin. Digging for digital gold. Next up, Bitcoin mining. While it's not as easy as it used to be, mining can still be a profitable way to earn Bitcoin. Back in the day, you could mine Bitcoin using your home computer, but those days are long gone. Now you need specialized hardware, high energy usage, and a good understanding of the mining process. We're talking about industrial-grade mining rigs that cost thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. So what exactly is Bitcoin mining? In a nutshell, it involves verifying transactions on the Bitcoin network and being rewarded with new Bitcoin. Think of it like solving complex mathematical equations. The first miner to solve the equation gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain. That's the public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions, and they get rewarded with Bitcoin. But here's the catch. As more miners enter the network, the difficulty of mining increases. It's like a giant decentralized competition. And with the rising cost of electricity, mining profitability can vary greatly depending on your location and energy costs. Chapter 5. Methods 4 and 5, Affiliate Programs and Faucets. Easy Bitcoin for beginners. Now, for those of you who are just starting out and want to dip your toes into the world of Bitcoin without risking your hard-earned cash, I've got two words for you: affiliate programs and Bitcoin faucets. Let's start with affiliate programs. One of the easiest ways to start making Bitcoin right now is through affiliate programs. There are tons of crypto exchanges and platforms out there that are always looking for new users. And they're willing to pay you, in Bitcoin of course, to bring those users on board. It's a win-win situation. You get to earn Bitcoin without having to invest any of your own money, and the platform gets new customers. And the best part? It's super easy to get started. All you have to do is sign up for an affiliate program, get your unique referral link, and start sharing it with your network. You can share it on social media, your website, or even just email it to your friends and family. And every time someone signs up using your link, you get a commission. Easy peasy. So there you have it. Whether you're holding long-term, trading, mining, or earning through affiliate programs or faucets, there are several ways to start making money with Bitcoin today. Remember, always do your research and start small, especially if you're new to crypto. And as always, keep your Bitcoin in a secure wallet and be cautious of scams. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more tips on making money with Bitcoin and staying ahead in the crypto game. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and profitable.